Hello friends, and again welcome back to my channel. So friends, you are viewing my channel. I bring a new website for you that's named trx158.com. So friends, I will give the total review about this website. How can you deposit your money? How can you withdraw your money? So first of all, if you are new in my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notification about my new coming video and comment on the comment section. So friends, without wasting our time, we will start our video. When you get the registration link of this website from my description, you can get invitation code here. You can paste your mobile number, login password, security password, then attach this code here and click on the sign up button to register in this website. So friend, as you can see here, we will successfully sign up in this website. So friends, close this and I will tell you can get 7000 TRX reward in this website. That is your total balance at the TRX 158. So friends, here are some common problems. Click to view the latest announcement. So here the deposit, user withdrawal, share TMAP and logout option. Click on the deposit button and you can see here investment is divided into two modes. Recharge to the basic account and receive income according to Sri Lanka time zone every day. Recharge in the promotion account, you can receive income according to different cycles. Return the principal and income upon maturity. View notes before investing. Please use a basic account and promotion account to invest according to your investment need. Please be sure to wait for the account to be recharged. This is very critical issue. So click on the transfer to basic wallet and you can copy this wallet address. Now go to your own wallet, that is trust wallet. So click on the Tron button, click on the send button, paste your address and 10 TRX is continue from here. As you can see, whenever 10 TRX is depositing from here, then I tell you how can you withdraw your money in this website. So come back to our website and now click on the recharge completed button. So as you can see here, you have two wallets, wallet account and promotion account. In wallet account, you can see all of the money that present in your website, and in promotion account, you and your friend joined this website from your referral link. You can get rewarded money in your promotion account. Join to withdraw millionaire, use cloud mining and if technology to ensure that as they get the most direct scenario. Click on the detail button to get all information about it. Here the platform data display in which accumulated profit and membership are present. You can see here. About us, we are at our best cloud mining offer a potentially cost-effective way of mining for Bitcoin, TRX and other cryptocurrencies. At the same time, both quantitative trading and DeFi technology will allow you to easily participate in the blockchain transaction with a small amount of capital and obtain stable income like insurance. So here are some global partners of this website in which Xerox, Coin26, Jan's Mining, Coinmint, Bitcoin, Binance are including. Now we are going to trading, and in trading you can see you can get plus 4% daily profit. Cloud mining is working. Click view all button to get all information about it. Now we are going to invest, and invest you can see product list, recharge list and invest order. You can get all the list here when you can invest in this website and deposit and withdraw your money. So now click on the share button. As you can see here, here is your referral link. You can copy this link and send to your friend and family. When your friend and family join this website from your referral link, you can get rewarded money in your promotion account. So why are you waiting? Go and send to your friend and family and earn more money. Now we are going to mine, and you can see here the deposit and user withdrawal. TRX deposit quantity. Deposit 5 TRX to activate the accumulated deposit of TRX. TRX can be withdrawn as a gift account. Here the team profit list transfer to basic share notification app and logout option. Click on the team button. As you can see here. Here the level 1, 2 and 3 date and amount. You can get commission in this website according to your investment need. You can get 10% commission in level 1. You can get 7% commission in level 2 and you can get 3% commission in level 3. You can get date and amount here all list. So here you can see the profit list. You can get all the list here when you can deposit and withdraw your money in this website. So here the notification, click on the notification button and you can get all the notification and you can invest in this website. So you can read all about it here. The Tron official TRX mining, www.trx158.com. After completing the registration, activate the account to get 20 TRX. So friends, you can read all about it here. Now I am telling you how can you withdraw your money. So click on the user withdrawal button and you can paste your TRX address here. Now your security password and daily withdrawal limit that is 0.444000. So now click on the confirm button. As you can see here, we will successfully withdraw our money in this website. So friends, I will give you the totally new about this website. How can you deposit your money? How can you withdraw your money? So as you can see, this is the most profitable website. So join this website and earn your money more and more. We will meet in a new video. So take care of yourself.